Back at the start of the 2013-2014 season, the FAW decided to enlist two integrity experts to do a full risk assessment of Welsh football, which resulted in the FAW changing its betting and match fixing rules, which came into effect on the 1st of August 2014, and also took us to this point where we've now gone into partnership with Sport Radar to deliver the Integrity Tour. It's an important message that's been put across to the players, particularly considering how much money is bet on the Welsh Premier League, which probably a lot of players, a lot of fans, probably anybody wouldn't expect. So it's a great initiative, I think, from the FAW, and it's good that it's getting the support of all the clubs.
Some of the key facts, I think, for me was quite alarming. Really, the amount that was actually bet on our league, our national league, 75 million, I think it was. It was just a real eye-opener, really. So yeah, from a player's perspective, it was quite valuable. Yeah, some of the consequences and reputational damage. So it could have a significant damage to the actual league as well. We've all got responsibility to keep that reputation going and promote our national league. So by learning the consequences, it drums it into us all to take it on board and move forward with it, really.
Effectively, it's a big part of our educational programme to go out to the players, and we've got a number of modules that are really important to us to get across. We want to be teaching them about, obviously, the nature of match fixing and how it actually happens, the links into the betting industry, and how actually not only the match fixers use the betting industry to make their money, but actually how Sport Radar uses the betting industry to catch the match fixers. It's really important to us to explain to the players exactly how we work and what we do, a little bit about the betting rules by which they're bound as part of the players' contracts, but also what's going to happen if they're found in breach of those rules. So it's really important as a package that we go through all of this and explain this in great detail to the players through case studies, through examples, hopefully most of which they'll find entertaining and educational.
I think the players have learned a lot. It's good to highlight the key issues in Welsh football today, and I think that's probably the most important thing for us, is that we are affected by it in Welsh football, and the facts and figures that have been presented to us tonight. I think it's important for the players to take them on board. The media start to pick hold of a lot more, and I think it's been highlighted tonight, some relevant examples of players who've gone down that road, and I think it was important that those issues were highlighted to the players tonight as well, to sort of prevent them from happening in the future.
We're really keen to sort of progress with this, and we're sure that we can work very well with the Welsh FA to use our tool and our expertise to deliver a really powerful, impactful message.